There are many websites where you can search satellite data. This slide shows some examples of data sites which provide observation data for free of charge. In United States, NASA and USGS are operating their sites and provide data for users. As Landsat satellites were developed by NASA, USGS is in charge of operating satellites and providing observation data. NASA provides Landsat data through their site, but it is limited to a part of the archive. Therefore, I recommend you to visit Earth Explorer by USGS if you want to use Landsat data. Landsat data is free and open in principle, but currently, some value-added products are not free. The European Space Agency, ESA, provides the data observed by Sentinel satellites free of charge through their site. Among various Sentinel satellites, some satellites observe ground surface by optical and radar sensors. The other satellites observe atmosphere and ocean as well. Japanese Space Agency, JAXA, also operates G-Portal to provide observation data from JAXA's satellite. The site provides not only free data but also charged data. Today, I show you how to search Landsat data through the Earth Explorer. You need to register for your account when you first use Earth Explorer, but data search is available for anybody if you don't download any data. I have already logged in with my account and will show you how to use. Now, this is the top page of Earth Explorer. On your left side, you can input search criteria, and the map is shown on your right side. The center of the map is C4 City, South Dakota, United States. Although you may not have heard this city, there is a data center of Landsat in Sioux Falls. Location of the city is almost center of the United States. Today, I like to search data covering Tokyo. You can drag the map to other locations with your mouse. And you can also input any city name on the left side of the window. You should change US features into world features when you select a city outside of the United States. Type Tokyo into future name text box and click Show button. It seems there is another Tokyo in Papua New Guinea. Make sure to click Tokyo in Japan. Then, the location of the map on right side will be changed. If you want to cover a wider area, you can place pins on the map by click and create a polygon. Let me zoom in a little. You can drag the pins to change the location. You can also clear the pins and polygons by clicking Clear Coordinates button. Now, I'd place one pin in Tokyo and search observation data covering this area. Next, I'll select observation date after the area. You can specify date range here on your left side. I'll search data observed from January 2020 until the end of June 2020. If you click this button, a calendar will be shown. I just selected January 1st, 2020. You can also specify any date by typing numbers into the text box. Now, I have selected 6-month period from January 1st, 2020 until June 30th, 2020. Next to Data Range tab, you can see Cloud Cover tab. Cloud cover is a big issue when you search optical data. Now, as cloud cover range is 0 to 100%, any data will be hit even the data is completely covered by cloud. So, you can cut down cloud cover ratio to, say, 30%, and the data covered by the cloud will be excluded. Next, let me click Datasets button to select Data Product. You can search not only Landsat but also various Earth observation data by Earth Explorer. You might be confused which to choose. As you have already learned Landsat in this lecture, let's type Landsat into Dataset search text box. Then, you can see many Landsat datasets in the box. There are 8 Landsat satellites so far, and the observation data is collected and processed before the dissemination. That's why there are many options. This time, let's select Landsat 8 OLITIRS C1 Level 1. When you select it, you can confirm the dataset is checked in the window below. That's all for the search criteria. Click Results button to see the result. It seems 12 scenes of data meeting the criteria. There are thumbnail images on left side. If you want to see the bigger image, coordinates, observation time, just click the image. You can also overlay the image on the map. Click the second icon from the left. You will recognize how large area a single scene of Landsat data covers. Multiple images can be overlaid on the map. If there is no cloud and the coverage is okay, click this icon to download the data. When you click it, you can select a download option. Among these options, Level 1 GeoTIFF data product is original one. You can click this button to download the data. The data can be used in various fields of application. If you are more interested or you want to learn more about remote sensing, contact the Remote Sensing Technology Center of Japan.